Hello, Kevin here from Reconnect. Today we're going to troubleshoot any potential issues you might have of pairing your SIG unit back to your Wi-Fi connection. This may happen in the event of changing modem, a brief power outage or something similar. So the first thing that we would do is we will go into the My Sigen app. Once in your app, you want to go to the device. In here you will be able to see your serial number in the top left hand corner. Forget the part that says CMU and copy from 110 to the rest. Then from here, go to setting. From there, then you want to go to the network configure, scroll down to the bottom, select next, select enter, put in that serial number, again forgetting the CMU, submit. Then you want to select no, I want to connect to device hotspot. Select next, and then you want to connect your device to your Wi-Fi. So select connect. Now your home Wi-Fi should show as an option. Select it and put in your Wi-Fi password. Select join. And once you see the green tick beside it, select finished and you should be back connected to your app. And from following those steps, that should be you back connected. You'll be able to monitor your system's productivity, generation and consumption on your app. Thank you.